Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A17 to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. I use this app for transfers every time I am recording, so I can assure you this one will work. After opening it, you need to set it up. Just click on the same options in both apps. First, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. After picking all of your files, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom of Samsung to continue. If you decided to transfer any app, select OK in white pop-up. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way you wanna use. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Close and add. Tap on while using the app or only this time and point your Android's camera at the code. To input this key, tap on Input Key section below Enter the key and type in all of those numbers before they expire. Finally, tap on the Receive button to connect and wait. Close our ads, and as you can see, after that my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!